The Queen of Wands sits tall upon her throne, radiating confidence, warmth, and magnetic inner fire. As water of fire, she embodies passion refined through intuition, the steady flame that inspires others, the inner heat that fuels creativity without losing balance. Where the knight races forward and the page discovers, the queen integrates fire into identity. She is the flame, centered and sovereign. Her wand is the first central symbol, held vertically like a scepter, crowned with budding leaves. It represents creative authority and life-giving fire. Unlike the knight's thrust-forward weapon or the page's object of wonder, her wand shows mastery, energy directed with poise, growth that unfolds through intention rather than force. The sunflower in her left hand forms the second symbol. A sign of joy, openness, and radiant confidence, the sunflower turns towards the sun just as the queen turns toward life with warmth and optimism. It represents generosity, fertility of ideas and projects, and her ability to nurture growth in herself and others. At her feet sits the black cat, the third and one of the most iconic symbols. The cat embodies intuition, independence, mastery, and subtle magic. Its calm gaze outwards shows that the queen's fire is balanced by instinct and psychic sensitivity. She leads with charisma, but stays connected to the unseen currents guiding her path. Her throne, decorated with lions and sunflowers, forms the fourth symbol. Lions signify courage, strength, and sovereign fire, attributes linked to Leo, the astrological spirit that resonates with her energy. The sunflowers repeat the theme of positivity and flourishing. Together, they depict rulership anchored in vitality, courage, and expressive power. The fifth symbol is the desert landscape behind her. Though barren, the queen thrives here, showing her ability to create warmth and vitality even in difficult environments. Fire does not require lush surroundings to burn. It generates its own conditions. The queen's presence in the desert speaks to resilience, independence, and the creative capacity to flourish anywhere. Together, these symbols form the portrait of a woman who leads through inspiration, confidence, and authenticity. She is creative sovereignty, warm without losing boundaries, bold without recklessness, intuitive without passivity. She embodies fire in its most empowered form. In readings, she often appears as a charismatic, supportive, and self-assured figure, or the querent's call to step into confidence, visibility, and expressive truth. Her shadow warns against overextension or demanding attention, yet her core gift remains, the power to shine without apology.